Have you ever wondered what would happen if your digital screen became your wallet? Welcome to the world of digital dollars, a revolution that's transforming how we think about money and investments. In this era of technological advancements, digital currencies are not just a trend, they're reshaping the entire landscape of financial investments. Today, we're diving into this fascinating world to understand how digital dollars are not only changing the way we invest, but also challenging the very definition of money. Stay tuned as we explore the new age of online investing, where each click can mean a potential investment. What are digital dollars? Imagine your money not as paper in your wallet, but as digital codes in your smartphone. Digital dollars, essentially, are this modern monetary form. They are digital representations of the US dollar, functioning much like traditional currency, but in the digital realm. What makes them fascinating is their operation on advanced technology platforms, bringing along the efficiency, speed, and convenience of digital transactions. They bridge the gap between the traditional banking system and the evolving digital economy, offering a unique blend of familiarity and innovation. Brief history and evolution. The journey of digital dollars dates back to the early days of internet banking and digital transactions. Initially, these were simply digital representations of physical money, but with the advent of blockchain technology, a new era began. The concept of a central bank digital currency, CBDC, emerged, aiming to digitize the very core of monetary transactions. As technology evolved, so did digital dollars, becoming more secure, fast, and reliable. They've turned from a futuristic idea into a practical reality, reflecting the evolving nature of money in our increasingly digital world. Role in modern investing. Digital dollars have carved a unique niche in the world of online investing. They offer a seamless integration of digital technology with the financial market, allowing for more efficient and accessible investment opportunities. Investors can now engage in transactions that are faster, more secure, and less restricted by geographical boundaries. This new form of currency is not only a medium of exchange, but also an asset class, attracting a diverse range of investors looking to capitalize on its potential for growth. Advantages over traditional currencies. One of the key advantages of digital dollars is their ability to bypass traditional banking hurdles. This means reduced transaction fees, no need for currency conversion in international transactions, and almost instantaneous transfers. Furthermore, their blockchain backbone ensures a higher level of security and transparency, a significant benefit in an era where digital fraud and cyber threats are prevalent. These features make digital dollars an appealing option for both seasoned investors and those new to the financial market. Blockchain and cryptography. The backbone of digital dollars is blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures that each digital dollar transaction is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Coupled with advanced cryptography, blockchain technology not only safeguards transactions, but also maintains user anonymity, making it a robust platform for financial dealings. Ensuring security and transparency. Digital dollars leverage the inherent security features of blockchain to provide a transparent and secure investment platform. Each transaction is recorded in a way that is both irreversible and visible to all network participants, reducing the risk of fraud and ensuring a level of transparency unheard of in traditional financial systems. This transparency builds trust among users. Case studies of successful digital dollar investments. Let's look at some success stories in the world of digital dollar investments. For instance, consider the surge in popularity of digital dollar-based investment platforms that have provided substantial returns to early adopters. These platforms have not only democratized access to investment opportunities, but also showcased the potential for high returns in digital currency investments. Impact on global economy. The global economic landscape is also feeling the impact of digital dollars. Countries are exploring the implementation of CBDCs, which could revolutionize international trade and monetary policy. The potential for digital dollars to streamline cross-border transactions and reduce currency exchange complexities is immense, indicating a significant shift in global economic operations. Volatility and regulatory concerns. However, with all its advantages, investing in digital dollars is not without risks. The primary concern is volatility. Digital currencies can experience significant price fluctuations, which can impact investment value. Additionally, the regulatory landscape for digital dollars is still evolving, posing challenges regarding compliance and legal recognition across different jurisdictions. Mitigating risks for investors. To mitigate the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies and other emerging asset classes, it is crucial for investors to be well-informed and exercise caution. One prudent strategy is diversifying investments across different assets, reducing the impact of a potential downturn in any single asset. Staying informed about regulatory changes is equally important, as governments worldwide are actively shaping the cryptocurrency landscape, is another essential step to safeguard investments. Furthermore, it is vital to invest only what one can afford to lose. Predictions and trends. The future of digital dollars in online investing looks incredibly promising. As we move forward, the surge in popularity of digital wallets. Moreover, the growing interest among investors in digital assets and cryptocurrencies signifies a bright and prosperous future for digital dollars. This evolution promises to democratize finance, providing individuals with greater accessibility and convenience in managing their investments and finances on a global scale. Integration with traditional financial systems. The integration of digital dollars into traditional financial systems is a pivotal trend that demands attention. This fusion promises to unlock a more inclusive financial ecosystem, breaking down barriers and extending accessibility to a global audience. With digital dollars seamlessly interwoven into established financial infrastructure, it's a trend poised to reshape the financial landscape worldwide. Basic steps for beginners. For newcomers venturing into the realm of digital dollar investments, this involves delving into the intricacies of blockchain technology, comprehending the inner workings of digital currencies, and exploring the various platforms conducive to investment. Embarking on this journey with modest investments and progressively augmenting one's exposure is a prudent strategy. Individuals can navigate the complex landscape of digital dollar investments with greater confidence and success. Choosing the right platforms and tools. Choosing the appropriate investment platform is of paramount importance in the world of finance. It is imperative to seek out platforms that prioritize robust security measures, ensuring the safety of your investments and personal information. Transparent fee structures are equally vital, as they allow you to understand and manage your costs effectively. Positive user reviews can serve as valuable indicators of a platform's reliability and performance. Furthermore, staying well informed about market trends and utilizing advanced tools for market analysis are essential practices for achieving success in this dynamic domain. By combining these elements, investors can make informed decisions and navigate the complex world of finance with confidence. Advice from industry experts. Industry experts consistently stress the critical importance of continuous learning and keeping abreast of the latest trends in the ever-evolving landscape of investments. Their advice often centers on diversification as a key strategy for risk mitigation, urging investors to spread their resources across a spectrum of digital currencies and traditional assets. Rather than seeking swift gains, these experts advocate for patience and adopting a long-term investment perspective. Digital dollars represent a transformative shift in online investing, offering fresh opportunities but also complexities. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.